Static versus instance members is like the difference between school-wide and student-specific information. Static members belong to the class itself and are shared by everyone, while the instance members belong to individual objects with separate values for each one. Static members are declared with the static keyword. They belong to the class and are shared by all the instances. Instance members are unique to each object. You access static members using the class name and then the property name, not using an instance. An important limitation is that static methods can't access instance data because they don't know which specific object they are working with. They exist at the class level, not the object level, but instance methods can access both static and instance members since they have access to both the class and the specific object. Use the static members for class utilities like constants and use instance members for object-specific data and behavior.